Ever spent hours trying to get believable clouds and rain in your scene? I know the pain. Well, WeatherMaker by Digital Ruby is here to end that struggle once and for all. This all-in-one system handles volumetric clouds, fog, day-night cycles, rain, snow, lightning, and even aurora borealis. Drop a single prefab and your world instantly feels alive. The volumetric clouds alone look stunning and update dynamically with weather profiles. The modular architecture uses scriptable objects, so you can save and swap weather presets on the fly. The developer is insanely responsive and runs an active Discord community. You're not buying an asset, you're joining a well-supported ecosystem. With a 4.9 average from over 100 reviews, users rave about the visual quality and support. One dev said it's the only sky system they'll ever need. The community agrees. The sheer number of settings can be overwhelming at first, and the documentation hasn't kept up. But dive into the demo scenes in Discord, and you'll find your rhythm quickly. For only $2.94, you skip weeks of hand-coded weather systems. This is a huge time saver. Link in the description. Struggling to make your spells feel impactful? Magic Arsenal from Arcanor VFX packs 40 unique effects into 10 elemental types. Everything you need for a wizard's toolkit. You get missiles, explosions, beams, shields, auras, and more, all drag and drop ready. Each element has its own set, so you can mix arcane with fire in seconds. Sound effects and GUI icons are included, saving you tons of extra work. The organization is top-notch. Each effect has multiple variants, and the demo scenes show you exactly how to integrate them. The developer updates regularly, and the community is solid. Almost perfect 4.9 rating from 92 reviews. Users keep saying it's a must-have for fantasy projects. The feedback is overwhelmingly positive. Migrating to URP can cause some shader issues. A few prefabs might turn invisible, but the included URP upgrade package covers most cases, and minor tweaks get you there. At $2.10, freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom effects set. This is a steal. Link is below. Building a multiplayer FPS from scratch is a nightmare. MFPS Mobile by Lovato Studio gives you a polished, mobile-ready foundation that cuts production time drastically. Drag-and-drop setup, built-in tutorials, and an automated installer get you online in minutes. It includes all core shooter mechanics, multiple game modes, and even bot support. You can prototype a full game over a weekend. The asset is optimized for low-end devices while still looking good. The developer is active and pushes frequent updates based on user feedback. It's a mature product with a huge ecosystem of add-ons. Rated 4.7 with over 100 reviews, it's praised as a huge time saver. Beginners love the ease and pros appreciate the solid framework. Essential features like mobile controls and gamepad support are sold separately, which adds up. The codebase can be rigid, so deep customization requires extra effort. For $3.80, if one client project uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. Business ROI doesn't get better. Grab it now. Volumetric lighting can make any scene breathtaking, but setting it up is usually a pain. Aura 2 won an award for making it easy and performant. This tool gives you gorgeous God rays, fog, and light scattering with an intuitive interface. Presets let you switch moods non-destructively. It integrates deeply with standard Unity lighting, so your existing lights get an instant upgrade. Performance is surprisingly light for the visual punch. You get control volumes like boxes and spheres to fine-tune exactly where the effect appears. It's a tool that makes your environment feel alive. Despite a lower 3.9 star average, many users praise the visual quality, but recent reviews highlight serious issues. Proceed with caution. Critical caveat: this asset is abandoned by the developer and only works with the built-in render pipeline. No URP or HDRP support at all. If you're on modern pipelines, skip it. For $2.82, it costs less than a fancy coffee drink, but only buy if you're locked into built-in. Otherwise, let this one pass. If your multiplayer FPS needs to be modular and clean, Modular Multiplayer FPS Engine by 314 Arts is built from the ground up for mirror networking. The code architecture is well documented and modular, so you can swap or extend systems without breaking things. It includes deathmatch, team deathmatch, gun game, and more, all with bot support. A sandbox mode is included for single-player testing. It's battle-tested and production-ready. The Discord community is highly active, and the developer responds quickly. You get a multiplayer foundation that's actually fun to build on. Nearly 4.8 stars from 94 reviews. Users consistently call it the best FPS toolkit for Mirror. The praise is genuine and detailed. Setup can be tricky with networking components, and some modules have spaghetti code. Expect to spend time debugging integration issues before you feel comfortable. At $3.60, treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Your weekend project will thank you. Generating icons for your assets is tedious and boring. RapidIcon by Joe Patrick lets you batch create professional icons right inside Unity. Select any folder of models or prefabs, batch edit lighting, camera angle, and overlays, then export as PNG up to 2048 by 2048. You can create multiple variations per icon with different animations or poses. No more firing up Photoshop. The interface is intuitive and plug and play. It comes with post-processing shaders for image effects, and you can add your own. It noticeably speeds up your production pipeline, especially for large projects. Rated 4.8 with 69 reviews, users call it indispensable. One dev said it saved them days of manual icon work. High praise. Large batch operations can strain memory, and default settings don't persist. You have to reconfigure for each new prefab. Minor workflow friction, but worth it. For $3, that works out to unlimited icon generation. Cost per unit gets you a massive productivity boost. Link in description. Grass can make or break an outdoor scene. DirectX 11 Grass Shader by Styx Games delivers GPU-generated grass that looks like a Breath of the Wild landscape. Individual blades are generated on the GPU, giving you dense, realistic fields with great performance. Features like interactive trample paths, wind, and splat map support add life. You can paint exactly where grass grows. It's highly customizable with artistic control. Works with built-in and URP with some setup. The CPU fallback ensures compatibility on systems without DirectX 11. Rated 4.4 with 87 reviews, users love the visual quality. Many say it's the best grass shader they've used. Performance is a common highlight. URP support is not plug and play. It can be finicky on Mac and requires manual shader optimization. Expect a learning curve to get it running smoothly. For $2.10, this level of grass fidelity normally costs hundreds in shader licenses. Incredible quality to price ratio. Grab it. Need stylized creatures without breaking the bank? Stylized Fantasy Creatures Bundle Number 2 by Enhanced Studio offers 16 unique designs with URP support out of the box. Each creature comes with 3 to 4 hand-painted skin colors, mobile and PC prefabs, and modular parts. They're rigged and ready to animate. The artistic quality is top tier, fitting seamlessly into any fantasy world. The bundle provides dedicated models for mobile platforms, ensuring performance without sacrificing style. The publisher releases consistently high-quality packs and provides excellent support. Almost 4.9 stars from only 7 reviews, but those reviews are glowing. Users applaud the value and art style, a hidden gem. Some animation files have reported bugs that require manual fixing. It's not a deal breaker, but you may need to tweak a few clips. At $3, you can reuse these creatures across multiple projects. Each use is essentially free. Long-term savings at its finest. Check the link. Finding high-quality human characters for a beach or casual game is tough. Beach Bundle by Ida Faber gives you beautifully detailed models with lots of outfit options. The models boast professional topology, detailed textures, and a wide variety of clothing that's modular and interchangeable. They support URP and HDRP, and the aesthetic appeal is immediately noticeable. Each character comes fully rigged with color customization. You can mix and match outfits between boys and girls for endless variety. The level of detail is impressive for the price. Rated 4.9 from 8 reviews, early adopters love the look and feel. The visual quality consistently gets top marks. Blend shape support for body morphing is limited in Unity compared to other engines, and rigging has some reported issues with eyes and arms. Customization isn't as slider-friendly. For $2.40, where else can you get this many fully rigged characters for the price of a single asset? Unique feature justification right there. Link below. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Ever bought an asset only to realize it's for the wrong render pipeline? SRP Material Converter by High-Tech Games automates converting materials between built-in URP and HDRP. One click and it processes thousands of materials, reassigning textures, colors, and transparency settings. It handles nested folders and batch operations effortlessly, a massive time saver when importing third-party assets. The developer is incredibly responsive and frequently updates for newer Unity versions. The tool works with Unity 2021 through 6.4, so it's future-proof. 4.85 stars from 39 reviews. Users consistently call it a lifesaver. Saves hours of manual work is the common refrain. It does not convert shaders or shader graphs, only material properties. Complex custom shaders will revert to standard, losing some effects. It's a mapping tool, not a magic bullet. For $2.10, it saves you an entire day of manual material fixing, less than the cost of a pizza. Productivity multiplier right there. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.